Alright, what's up guys? I'm back in with a bike check and also a test video. I have a new Evo 3D, so I'm just testing out 3D video. But on to the bike check. Just did my grips over, the Mutiny grips. I put the Barnes on, took off my animal metal ones. I still have them now. As always, the coat leader bars. Same grips. Fit top load stem. I got new frames, say Fit s3.5 Mike Aiken 2011. I just bought some new tires, Tom White walls. See, I have fresh tread. Profile front. Animal Light MK3 peg. Odyssey CS2 race forks. Sunday seat clamp. Demo seat post. Animal seat. Uncomfortable piece of shit. Animal headset. And over here you have a animal sprocket. Shadow half link. Stolen mop cranks. Shadow Ravager PC pedals. I like to grind them down to the pins with it flat. Works for me. So if it hits my ankles, it doesn't kill me. Still got my free coaster. Oh shit, sorry about the front wheel. Primo spokes. Alienation 440 rim. Stolen revolver bottom bracket. Back rim was a Demo Zero with a Alienation V2 free coaster hub, Primo spokes, Animal MK3 peg in the back as well. It looks blue, but it's purple on the video. And that's pretty much my whole bike. I'll say everything now, what it was about maybe 24, because these tires make everything heavy, but this is my bike check. Have a good time. Just want to get a nice 3D shot one more time.